If you have these sandals, throw them away immediately. Look why. Remember, all people are not the same. It is possible that this home remedy will serve you, and it may not work for you. There is no magic or miracles in health, do not forget. There is nature and the desire to do things well. If you have doubts about what you do, consult your doctor. We will not be responsible for what might happen. In today's video you can read about a scientific research carried out in Germany where it was found that the reason for some types of cancer are clogs made of plastic materials. The question is why? The answer is very simple. Plastic materials contain carcinogenic compounds. Namely, this research included 10 pairs of clogs made of plastic materials, or to be more precise, supposedly the best brands that can be found in the market today. The laboratory results were shocking. The clogs contain 60% of PFAS, are polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons that are extremely dangerous to human health, since they are substances that are carcinogenic. If somehow these substances are absorbed in the body, they can cause cell mutation. On the other hand, another surprising finding is that the clogs were tested containing 70% solvents and heavy metals that can be easily absorbed by human skin. First precaution: take socks, as a great help in order to avoid some kind of problem if you still want to wear clogs. It is an interesting fact of this research is that the original Crocs did not contain PFAS. Even so, they contained certain solvents that can cause allergies.